Just finished training a student of mine, student for a while. And we're talking about injuries. We're talking about the lack of motivation. And I told him the following. When you train, no matter how many times you get hurt, no matter how many times your stomach hurts, your back hurts, the older we get, that's going to happen to us. It's just nature. Sometimes we run into injuries. Sometimes those injuries stop a dream or stop a career. Believe me, look at my hand. I had 11 reconstructive surgeries. Okay. That hindered me. That stopped. But you always have to continue going forward. You know, in here, there's no crybabies. There's no, I'm going to stop because my foot hurts. I got a cramp. You have to endure that. You have to continue moving with that. Many people say, how can you do it? No matter, how can you endure the pain? No matter how much it hurts. No matter how much people tell you stop. You have to continue doing it. Because that's what we do. That's what a true pugilist does. He fights. He fights for a right. He fights for himself. He fights for others. He fights to continue teaching others to stand up for themselves. Imagine that. Imagine for every insult, for every hackle, for every time somebody insulted us or defamed us or tried to bully us. Imagine if we stopped. You know, sometimes in life, the injuries are not physical. They're emotional. You get betrayed, especially if you're in the workforce. You're going to see all that. Life brings those bad elements out. You can't just sit back and wither away. You have to stand up and fight for it. Some people call it faith. Some people call it being a man. Some people say it's just morally correct for us to do that. And we continue pressing on. Many say you can't do that. It's too hard. You can't even, you're not going to make it to that championship bout. You're not going to make it to that rank. You're not going to make it a year. You're going to quit. Yeah, perseverance. You have to endure all the negativity and press on, press forward. You know, all that hard work, all that training, everything is to better yourself. And that's just the way it is. And you know what that is? It's called faith. Just a little faith. And we press on.
Down, ready.